Okay, go me first.
Hello guys.
Me first.
This is gonna be a video with him.
2,
Ayun.
1. Eh, kita mo yun!
No, you touched the pillow. Okay, let me try. Guys, comment, subscribe and like if you think I'm gonna win this challenge.
Okay,
We're
this
making
one
a video
first.
right now. Huh?
4 pillows lang muna, no mushroom.
Okay, no. Oh, yes.
Ha!
Wow.
Kita mo yan!
Did you see that,
Look,
followers?
look, look. Ganito pa. Ito pa, wala akong makin kumahulog ako. Hindi kasi ako maghuhulog.
Did you see that, guys? We're gonna
Ito
post
pa.
this on YouTube. Huh?
Ito pa. Last na jump.
Oh no.
Excuse me.
Did you see
Kita
that,
mo
guys?
yun.
He almost landed on me. Okay. Guys, do like and subscribe if you think I'm gonna win. And comment if not.
Not allowed, little ugly stupid. Okay, since you're eliminated now, you need to add pillows.
No.
Excuse. For Kuya to jump. It's pretty hard, but I can do this.
Kita. No way, guys. She just did that. I'm losing this challenge, the owner of the channel. Guys.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh no, guys.
Hello. 5,
Oh no, guys.
6 pillows. How 50? Subscribe if you think I can do this. Like if you think I can. Kindly
Yeah.
stand here on the side and hold the pillow
Okay.
from the top. Stand lang. I sit down and hold the pillows for keeping it cold. 3, 2. Wait. Hold the pillows properly. 3, 2, 1.